Hi everyone, this is the Waterpik water flosser, and there's a problem here is the button here got stuck and I need to get it fixed. So how do I get it fixed? I look it up on YouTube. A lot of people crack open this. Some people broke the tab underneath here, and here, and I try to open it here, and it's kind of difficult to do it. So I look up on YouTube. Some people put oil in here so the button will work. Let's see if that works or not. So first, remove this part. So you pop out here. You see the little piece here? Pretty easy to remove this part. Push it down. Here, be careful. Don't push it too hard. So there's a spring here, so you open it like this so the spring won't fly out. So next I need to get some coconut oil or olive oil and put some oil inside here and let the oil slowly go down. Hit the button here, hit the spring here, and then tap here several times so it will pop out. Let's see if that works or not. Here I got some avocado oil. Pour some here. And move this out of the way. A medicine dropper. Go this way. Get some oil. Drop some here. So after that, and try to tap. Use this one. Here you go. You pop out. It works. Let's see. The button works without cracking this thing open, because that is lubricate the two O-ring inside. Okay, so this is the best way without cracking this thing open. Just use the cooking oil, not DW40 or any other oil that can poison yourself. Only cooking oil, because cooking oil won't poison you. And this will lubricate your two O-ring and help to pop out the button that is stuck. So next thing is clean up. Put this one back. Pretty easy. Just push in. And put this back together. Now you have a working one. Alright, here we go. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later.